video, and today we're going to be opening spaceships again. If you guys haven't saw the last video we opened, well, the last video we did, other than the gallery thing, we opened spaceships, and now we're going to be opening them again. This time, this one is called U.S.S. Vengeance. And this one is called U.S.S. Enterprise. The first one we're going to be opening is Enterprise. Oh yeah, and you guys haven't solved, it's both of these are from Star Trek. Go check that show out. You don't have to if you want to. But if you're bored and you don't want to watch my videos, you can go watch a show. Wait, there's two pieces? What? Okay, so this is what it looks like, but apparently you have to attach it. What is it? Does it go right here? Spaceships. So what I like about this car, well, spaceship, is that it's not a car, it's a spaceship, and it has something to hold it, so like it doesn't just keep going like flat. Gotta put it back up. And I like that it has these things. I don't know what called. I think they're like thrusters. The next one we're going to be opening is just forget the name. You guys, if you guys forget the name, just replay it to the beginning. What I like about this car is that it wasn't like this car, well, spaceship, where you have to attach it. This one was already attached, and I like how there's that, and it fell off. Okay, so what I learned is it can't just go like that. Without falling. I like the thrusters on here, and that has a circle on this one and this one. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, turn on the post notifications, and subscribe. Bye!